Monkey Fight Part 1. It was a battle between two souls. Who's better or who's not? Let's meet our competitors. Black Monkey. Super red, super fast, but not that strong. Dead for now. White Monkey. Super fast, super intelligent. 2 + 2 = 4. And super strong. And here are the people they're going to use as robots. Robot Dinosaur. Iron Man. I prefer tacos. Batman. I am the Batman. And the 3 best friends of all. Baymax, the super level robot. Doggy, the Doge, and a troll who is super fat and ugly who has a big nose. Hey, I don't have a big nose. You guys have a big nose. No. Maybe. I'll take that as a no. It all started out once. The black monkey and the white monkey were friends. But since ever a war came on by the green necklace, everything turned good. Black monkey, white monkey died. They were still best friends until they met the ultimate soul, Mr. Sock. Mr. Sock, will you please help us turn it back to humans? Maybe, if you do me one thing. What is it, Mr. Sock? We'll do anything. Get me your souls. What? That's our living thing. I'm sorry, but if you want me to make you guys live again, give me your soul, but you guys will have no laughter, no emotions. Deal? No deal. We'll fight you. Too late. Oh, no. White monkey! No! Oh, they'll be digested in a few minutes. See you guys later. And we are back. They're still not digested, but they're in a different world now. White monkey! My arm. My freaking arm. My leg. Pro, are you okay? Why did you say that? Say what? You said that thing to Mr. Sock. That what made us send toward a different world. Well, I wanted to be living in the first place. Well, we could have been